Hey learner, this is Nileshhanumantborate. Welcome back. So now you have completed this login logout section in this previous video. So again we will test it. So for example, your username is that the Nil, password is that the 1234. So after successful of this login, and if you click on this logout button, see here you are in user home page. But if you click on this again admin section, then see here, so session values have not clean. Okay, so here we use the one more method in logout.php file. So see here logout.php file. So here we add the session destroy method. Okay, so save these changes. See here again, after successful of logout, if you try to click on this admin, then see you are in still user home page. Okay, now my all session values are destroyed permanently. Okay, now when I am going to admin dashboard, see here, so we have completed all of these things: post, categories, comments, then users. Okay, so there is only one link is pending, that is the profile. Okay, so now we finish this profile link. So before we go on, I just want to say the congratulations if you are here. So you are very different from a lot of people, because most of peoples are give up the first 2 to 3 videos. Okay, because they think that this is very too hard, but you have stacked to it. You have rewind those videos a million of times until you got it, and you are finally here. Okay, so you are very special, so keep going. So let's go ahead and make his profile page, and so we can add some more functionality to have the CMS. So first we make the dashboard link is the linkable, this one. If you click on this link, then you are going to this profile.php file. Okay, so here we are going to this admin navigation file, admin navigation.php file. So see here you are in this profile section, and in this ahref here I use the one file profile.php file. So save these changes, and we create a new file, that is the profile.php. Okay, so we create a new file. So right click on this admin folder, new file, profile.php. So we have already one file, the users.php, this one. So I have copied all these section into this file. So here my profile.php, so I can paste all of these things here. Okay, here. So we remove the sum of code. So see here, we remove all of these switch case code, this script. Okay, then here we add the new code. After that declaration here, so for testing purpose here we print the one message, it works. So save these changes and see here. So first we run the index.php file. Okay, so see here, so here click on this link, view all post. Okay, refresh this page again, and if you click on this profile link, then see, no, I think changes are not applied. So we log out these changes. So refresh this page, and again we log in. 1 2 3 4. See here, if you click on this profile, no, you are not going to this profile.php file. So see here again, here we are opening the file admin navigation, this one. Then see here, no, here we'll give the link in that profile section, means that this is a before this logout section, this one. Okay, this one here you give the link profile. Okay, now we also give the link in the dashboard profile link. So here again going to this bottom of this page and here, okay, profile.php. Save these changes. So see here, if you click on this profile, so now we refresh this page. If you click on this profile, then see it works here I think. So message is printed before this page here. Okay, so again we are going to this page profile.php. okay, here. So we just, for the testing purpose, we just move this script after this author. Then see here, if you click on this profile, it works. Okay, so here we undo these changes. Okay, so now you are going to this page profile.php file. So now we modify this page here. Now we copy that the edit users.php file, the form tag inside this profile.php file. So here we opening the edit users.php file and we select the form tag, this one. So from this form to here, we copy all of these things and paste after this h1 tag here. After this h1 tag, we paste all of this form data. Okay, so this one. So save these changes. So here we are going to this PHP script. Okay, and here we use the one if condition. If is set $_session username, if the username is set, then you are in if condition. So get this username and store into the variable $ into the session. So we pass here the one query, select star from users where username equal to this username, this variable name. Okay, now we execute this query, MySQL underscore query connection and you are the query. Then we use the one while loop, $row equal to MySQL fetch associate. Okay, so here we use all the variables. So we have already create the one code in the edit users.php file. So going to this edit user.php file and we copy all the variables of this select query here, this one. So we copy all of these variables. Okay, again going to this profile.php file and we replace all of these variables here. Okay, see here, we get all the data in the database table. So this is your the column name, username, password, first name, last name, email ID and the role. Okay, so if your username is that the nil, then get the all of these data where username equal to nil. Okay, so here we use this select query, we grab all the details of the specific user. Okay, and all of these data stored into these variables, and these variables are used here for the specific text box, and here we set the values of this text box and we use these variable names. Okay, and all of these values are printed in this input field. So we test here this code, so save these changes. Okay, see here, if you click on this profile, then see here, now you are logging into the username Nil, then see first name Nilesh, Borate, admin, username Nil, this password, and this is the email ID. Okay, now again we are going to this file. So here we change the value, update profile. If the user try to modify this the user details, then after clicking on this update button, then all of these data are modified. So here we add the one more if condition after this if statement. Okay, so after this if statement we copy the code. So we have already do this code, so again we are going to this edit users.php file, then see here, this is the if condition. So we copy this if condition, copy, and again we are going to this profile. So after this if, we replace or the paste this if condition here. Again we get the all of these details. See here, here we get the first name, last name, username, password, role, email ID. Okay, and here we use the update query, update user, set the user first name, last name, username, password, role, email ID. Okay, and here we execute this query. So we do the some minor changes, we remove this user ID. Okay, so remove this username because we have already this username from this session. So get this username from the session, and here update user, set user first name, last name, we remove this username also here from this query. Then the password, role, email ID, where username is equal to $username is in single quote. Okay, so save these changes. Now we test this code. Again going to this page, so refresh this page. Okay, see here, if you try to modify the any input field, so here we change the email ID is that nilborate@gmail.com. If you click on this update profile and see here, okay, now again, so again, for example, if you are in view or post file and if you click on this profile, then see here email ID is modified. You can also test here database. Okay, so we refresh this table, and if you click on these users, then see here this nil user, here modify the email ID. Okay, now here we finish this profile task. Okay, and here we finish all of these left side links buttons. We also completed the post section, category section, comment section, user section, as well as the profile section. Okay, so here we finish all these admins CRUD operations, means that the create, then the read, update, and the delete. Okay, so next we will see that the CMS widgets parts. So it is more interesting. Okay, so we will see in next video. So till if you have any queries, then comment on our query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.